Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Shopify Markets and multi-currency settings for US stores. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Shopify Markets and multi-currency settings for US stores, begin by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the settings section located in the bottom left corner of the screen. From there, click on the Markets option. On the Markets page, you will see your current market setup. Click on the Create Market button to add a new market. Select the regions or countries you wish to target. Once you've made your selections, click Add Market to confirm. Next, ensure to configure your market settings. This includes setting the pricing and duties for the regions you've added. Now, return to the main settings section and click on Payments. Scroll down to the Shopify Payments section and click Manage. In this area, look for the multi-currency option. Toggle the multi-currency setting to enable it. You may then select the currencies you want to offer in addition to USD. Make sure to save any changes you have made. Next, return to the Markets page and check the currency settings for each market. Set the appropriate currencies for each market to ensure a seamless shopping experience. After finishing these steps, review your online store to check for any issues. Once everything looks good, you can start promoting your store in new markets. Regularly monitor the performance of your multi-currency settings. Adjust your strategies as necessary based on customer feedback and sales data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.